Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Rebecca over at the Lovely Finds on Poshmark and the Lovely Finds shop over on eBay. And thank you so much for coming and checking out my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Glad you found me. So today's video is going to be really exciting. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Today is B&G Trading unboxing. Super excited. So if you're unfamiliar with B&G Trading, they are a apparel retail wholesaler. So what happens is they take liquidations from stores like Revolve, Nordstrom, and create these lots, and resellers can purchase these lots and resell them, do what they want with them. So they had a sale running, and I purchased the women's premier apparel. So everything should have an MSRP of at least $69 with the original hang tags. And it says popular retailers. So again, your Nordstrom, your Revolve. So we'll see what brands are in there. So yeah, I think there's 10 pieces in this box. So I am going to go ahead. I haven't opened it yet. It literally just got dropped off. So I feel like Christmas. All right, here we go. We're going in. We're going in. And I will say, as I'm opening this up, so this is actually my third box, and my first two boxes were pretty great. I feel like I might be due for a bad box, so we'll see. There's a lot of people on YouTube doing unboxings, and they're not super happy with what they got. So I don't know. Oh, let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ooh. So, this is neat. So the last time they did not have this in, but now it has who it was packed by and how many items are in the box. So 10 by Myra. So thank you. All right. And it comes with your FAQs. And I will show you what everything looks like. So this is what I see when I look at my box. So let's go through. I'm gonna start with this floral bit. So this is American Living, size 18, which is a great size. This is a dress, retailed for $89. Size 18. You can see really pretty floral. It's got 3/4 length sleeves with lace at the bottom. So that's great. I noticed I say that's great a lot, so I'm going to try not to say it anymore. All right. This is, Michael Kors. This is also a dress, sleeveless, retails $98, size small. This is really pretty purple print. Just kind of like a shift dress. It's got a hidden zip in the back. That would be really pretty for spring, Easter. Okay. This is Maison Jewels, size 4. I think I got a lot of dresses. This is nice. So this is the Munich dress in burnt olive, and this retailed for $129.50. And this is adorable. Look at this. So this moss green color. It's got kind of this, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a little eyelet detail and lace. And then this has an exposed zipper down the back. I don't know, maybe this is a really good box. All right, Rachel by Rachel Roy. This is a size large. This is a top with, how does this work? Oh, it's a tie front. So it's got ties in the front. It does, I promise. I can't work the ties right now. But it's a really pretty pink, like a blush pink, and it's semi-sheer. I don't know if it'll show up on camera, but there's kind of like a gold iridescence to it, only slightly. And just want to see what fabric it is. Where's my hang tag? So this retailed for $79. It's the metallic blush combo. And this is a BB Dakota. This is really pretty. This is a navy blue eyelet dress, sleeveless, size 6. How pretty is that? And this does not have the retail tag on it. Or excuse me, it does not have the price tag on it. It's vintage blue. It's another nice one. What is this one? Oh, this is Free People. I saw the tag. So We the Free, size medium. And this has the size, the price ripped off. But this is like a thermal oversized shirt. It's got a really big scoop neck. And then this, I guess, goes across your back. It's kind of like a shark bite, slight shark bite hem. Slightly sheer and ivory. That's pretty. Here's another Free People. This one retailed for $78. I think this is a hoodie. So Free People, size medium. It's my size. Oh, this is cool. It's like an oversized hoodie. Look at this. Look at this fabric. I love that. It's kind of like a, I don't know what you call it. It's not a tie-dye. It's like a washed out, super broken in fabric. It's got this like cutout V-neck with a hood. That's a good one. I might keep this. No, I won't. I'm gonna sell it. I'm moving, so we're tight on space. Tight on space, have to sell it all. All right, here's another Michael Kors. This is an extra small. This retailed for $84. And this is a really cute little top. So it's cold shoulder. It's got these little bell sleeves and a little ruffle at the hem. That's nice. And I think, oh, I have 2 more. All right, so this is a jacket. This is cute, I guess. It's a black jacket, retailed for $98. Look at how cute this is, you guys. It's kind of like a little moto jacket, but it's got like elastic, or no, this actually might be like kind of like puff sleeves, I guess, slightly. Really cute. Show you guys the back. Another good one. And this, I think, is my last piece. These are, oh, I thought they were moto leggings, but they actually have lace. So this is Black Orchid, Los Angeles. These are, I'm gonna move the box. I'm actually saving that box. I'm gonna pack it full of stuff to move. So Black Orchid, Los Angeles. This does not have a price tag on it. I'm unfamiliar with Black Orchid. I've never heard of it. I've never sold it. I've never seen it. So this is fun. It's one I'm gonna get to research. It's got this really cool hang tag with like a little metal Black Orchid on it, which makes me think it might be expensive. So yeah, moto leggings. They're black and they have this lace side panel. I don't know if you can see. So that's really cool. And here's the back. And it's a size 26. The moto legging. Awesome. This was a good box. This is 3 for 3. I'm really happy with this. Some people just got like complete disasters in their boxes, and this is really good. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not that I don't trust Maria. 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces. So that's awesome. So definitely let me know in the comments what your favorite piece was and if you have ever gotten anything from B&G Trading. Today's a hard day. It's hard today. Yeah. Personally, I like getting boxes like this from B&G Trading because my thrift stores and my bins around here just really don't have the best quality items. So this is a really great option for me to get things that are a little bit higher MSRP. I can sell them for a little bit more. They're new with tags. So yeah, if you are in the same situation as me, you can definitely check out B&G Trading. It's not sponsored by them. I don't have a code for you. I'm sorry. They always run sales, but definitely check them out. And if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. I love having you guys here. I love reading and responding to all your comments, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, thanks guys.